Good morning, everyone. So today I'm in my kitchen. So that's what we are going to be working on here today. Go ahead, I got my cup of tea. Grab your favorite beverage and let's go ahead and tackle this space.
Hey guys, so right now this is the state my kitchen is in. I don't know why I have this out because I don't have any dishes on here. They're all under here. All my dishes are right in the sink and need to be cleaned. And then, guys, inside are clean dishes that I just haven't had time to unload and reload with the new dishes. I'm telling you guys, cleanish is a thing, and I'm showing you this in full effects. But we will be cleaning up all this area. The next thing I will be coming in and tackling is this refrigerator and freezer. So we've had a lot of guests over. I normally don't have this much food, but in here, I just want to go in here and toss out all my old stuff, reorganize, clean it out. Look how that is looking right now, guys. I am kind of ashamed, but hey, this is the truth. This is the cleanish life here, guys. And then this freezer, it's a lot of random things in here, and I love making smoothies, so I have frozen bananas, but I don't need all these bananas, so I'm gonna probably go in and toss some things and then just create a different flow that will work and hold all my groceries and stuff. All right. Guys, so it's now time to tackle the refrigerator. I'm walking over there right now. So what we are going to do is go through everything, and here we're going to see like what's expired, if there's any condiments that are old and expired, any old food that we need to toss out, and then we are going to clean this, like do a deep clean and toss stuff that we no longer use or that's expired or old. So let's go ahead to the refrigerator and start decluttering. I'll see you in a minute. So we have now pulled everything out of the refrigerator, and I'm gonna go in and clean all this stuff out. This is just really nasty, so I'm cleaning that out, and then I'm gonna go in and pull this one out too and clean all these things out. So I have them all here. This is all the food from the refrigerator and freezer areas that we're keeping. And then we have some condiments up there that we're keeping. But this is everything we have. And for some reason, I cannot come in here and pull this out. I think it's because our door doesn't open all the way. So I don't know how I'm gonna clean back there, but I need to get that old spinach stuff out of there. And so guys, my camera went out, but I was trying to explain to you that a long time ago, I was told by my mom and my grandma, go ahead and put the batteries in the freezer, and it should recharge them and you can use them again. So I did this to test out the theory. I can show y'all. Yeah, but I was definitely in the middle of talking and pulling out things in the refrigerator, and it just stopped recording. It's like no more memory's full. But this was the theory. Go ahead and try it. Oh, wait a minute, it's working. So maybe it did recharge it, guys. So the theory might be right. Yes, so freeze your batteries. And then another thing that I was trying to explain is I get a lot of my candles from Bath and Body Works, and they have some beautiful like glass jars. So I freeze them and then I go in and pop the what is this, wax out. So normally I'm gonna just sit it down here and show y'all. It's gonna be hard because I am holding the camera, but you just go in and like go around the edges with the knife. It looks like this is already ready to be popped out because it broke. And then all you do is turn it over and voila, you have a clean glass jar. I usually just wipe it out, and then I put like cotton balls and different things. Use it in the bathroom, you can use it all around. And this is like a pretty like wood look. This was their fall scent, so I could use this in fall time. The other one that I had that I just recently popped out is this one, and this has just a sticker right here, so you can just peel this off. This is now a jar that you can use all the time. It doesn't have any branding on there, just at the bottom, but you can get some Gooby Gone to get this like the sticky stuff off, and also take the bottom part off if that bothers you. And Gooby Gone you can get from like Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, anything like that. But yeah, look, here's a jar. If after spending like $25, well, you know, I never spend full price for candles at Bath and Body Works, but if you do, you're spending $25 for this, so you better keep it and you better use it. But yeah, that is it. Yeah, so this is all my trash. This is trash stuff too that I'm gonna just pour out, throw away. These are all donation kitchen items. And then these are stuff that are going back into the refrigerator. So again, I'm gonna go in, wipe everything down in here and get it cleaned up and put everything back. Wiped down and clean, and I clean these out and just wipe them down. Still some of this a little wet. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these back in. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the refrigerator. I am going to insert a final clip once I go grocery shopping and meal prep, because this is empty because I usually put our meal prep there, and then these right here are just leftovers that we'll put in there. So that's why I have 2 empty shelves. This used to be my bread, but I have a bread bin, so I took majority of my bread out. So I don't know if I should just keep like this kind of bread in here, like my tortillas, or what I should do in here. So that's free there. And then on the side door here, I have my butters, milk, and then here's also some of my condiments, more juice and more condiments. So that's just what's in this door. And then the freezer area is just as sparse, guys. I'm gonna get it together and go grocery shopping so you can see what it looks done. But up top, I just have like little things like our ice cream. This will be our chicken. I'm gonna do our ground turkey here, and then our other frozen foods down there. This is all my smoothie stuff, and then this right here is just our like meatless stuff. I have fish, chicken, and this is some edamame, some vegetables. And then normally in this area I put my smoothies, because I like to meal prep my smoothies as well, and I just put them in mason jars. But I put our bread and then these chopped onions and bell peppers in here, but I think I'm gonna actually move this into here and then keep that as my smoothie thing. But yes, guys, this is the overall look of the refrigerator. It is now clean, decluttered. All the items in there are not expired, which is good, and easy to access. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this and got a lot out of it. Like I said, I'll insert that clip so you can see what it looks like after I go grocery shopping.
All right, guys, so that is all for this week's video. I hope you learned so much and got a lot of tips and tricks on how to organize your space. I'll talk to y'all next week. Bye.
Look at all this trash. This is all from the pantry, the under the sink, refrigerator, everything. Our trash is full and we still have all week. It doesn't even close.